on the Morales and Press Association.
Very important that in terms of NHS funding.
This is the second in what is a 4-stage process. So the law requires us now.
Bargain that Peter talked about operating.
We've taken a historic decision to allow mitochondrial replacement therapy in clinical treatment for patients, which means that those who have families with a serious mitochondrial disease, which results in disability or even the early death of their children, will have the chance finally to be able to have a healthy child genetically related to them if they want to take advantage of these techniques. There is a lot of uncertainty. There always is when you introduce a new medical treatment, but we think that by making rules around prenatal testing, around extra information given to these patients about consent and follow-up that we want to do on every single treatment and every baby born will allow us to have more information as we go forward, perhaps extending this to a wider group of patients. But today is very much about proceeding cautiously for those patients who have no other alternative.